next topic would be about quantitative and qualitative research. These are two distinct approaches to gather and analyze information. Now, we're going to break down some details regarding with the two para naman ma-analyze natin kung ano ba yung pinagkaiba nila or kung meron ba silang pinagkamukha. First on our topic is quantitative research. Quantitative research is the process of collecting and analyzing numerical data. It can be used to find patterns and averages, make predictions, test causal relationship, and generalize results to wider populations. Also, quantitative research is the opposite of qualitative research, which involves collecting and analyzing non-numerical data such as text, video, or audio. So, pag sinabi mong quantitative research, nagbe-base tayo sa numbers or sa dami ng gusto nating respondents regarding sa research natin o kaya sa population na gusto nating i-research. Normally, minimum na ang 10 respondents. Tapos, pwede kang mag-maximum ng hanggang 50 to 100 depending on what is the topic that you're going to talk about. Next is qualitative research. Qualitative research is used to understand how people experience the world. Qualitative research involves collecting and analyzing non numerical data, such as text, video, or audio, to understand concepts, opinions, or experiences. It can be used to gather in depth insights into a problem or generate new ideas for research. So, halimbawa, when you say qualitative, it shows about quality. So normally this is exploring ideas o kaya you're being descriptive of images, dinidescribe mo siya, and then hindi rin generalize yung information na nakukuha mo kapag qualitative research. Now, let's try to analyze the two type of research. So meron ditong purpose, data type, approach, and analysis. So start tayo sa purpose. Si qualitative research, it answers the question why. Bakit? Pwedeng bakit ba ito nangyari? Bakit nagkaroon ng ganito? Bakit ba ito ginawa? Sa quantitative research naman, it answers the question how many or how much. Gaano kadami. Second, data type. Pag kukuha ka ng data sa qualitative research, pwede kang mag-observe or pwede rin na pag magpe-present ka ng data, pwede kang gumamit ng symbols o kaya words. Kapag sa quantitative research naman, kailangan merong numbers, statistical result. In short, meron kang pinagkunan or pinagbasihan ng mga numbers na na-present mo. Third, regarding with approach. Pag qualitative, most of the time mag-o-observe ka lang or i-interpret mo kung ano man yung na-observe mo. Habang sa quantitative, kailangan mong gumawa ng measurement, kailangan mong mag-test. Kasi we're talking about numbers, even large numbers. Next part is doing the analysis. Regarding with analysis, sa qualitative research, kailangan i-group mo yung common data, yung magkakamuka ng sinasabi or magkakamuka ng kinalabasan. Habang sa quantitative naman, kapag analysis, meron kang statistical analysis. So, meron kang pinagbasihan based on numbers pa din. Here are the other things that you could consider about qualitative and quantitative research. Qualitative, it is descriptive. So, data in words, data in images. Quantitative, it should be data in numbers which can be measured. Qualitative answers the question why and how. So, you're exploring different ideas. Habang si quantitative research, answers the questions how many, how much. So you have to make a test. Qualitative research, most of the methods used is interview, focus groups, and observations. For quantitative methods, you could use surveys, which is closed questions. It could either be answerable by yes or no. And also, you could make experiments. Qualitative research, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, small information lang to, in-depth samples, tapos hindi siya generalized. Habang sa quantitative, since we're talking about numbers, it is large samples. And then qualitative, open-ended siya. So, they can answer anything or everything, tapos flexible pa. Habang sa quantitative naman, it is controlled process. Pag sinabing structured, may pagkakasunod-sunod or step by step. Lastly, for qualitative research, subjective analysis regarding with insights and themes. Habang si quantitative naman is objective. Since may gusto kang patunayan using statistics and figures. This is a very quick lesson. However, you have to make sure that you understand everything. So these are some takeaways na pwede niyong matandaan. Quantitative research uses objective, numerical data to answer questions like what and how often. Conversely, qualitative research seeks to answer questions like why and how, focusing on subjective experiences to understand motivations and reasons. Another key takeaway: quantitative data is collected through methods like surveys and experiments and analyzed statistically to identify patterns, while quantitative data is gathered through interviews or observations and analyzed by categorizing information to understand themes and insights. So again, that is your lesson regarding with quantitative and qualitative research. So I'll see you again on your next lesson for qualitative research, since this is your practical research 1 subject. So I'll see you next time and take care.